This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. Meat on the hoof and crops in the ground. There's meat on the hoof. Barbados sheep, they're awesome. Try to get a shot of the big ram. He'll make two good shofars someday. Oh, here comes Gal. Hi, Gal. Brother Thomas's horse. Got her, they were going to send her to the killer. She can haul logs, haul a wagon, ride her bareback, ride her saddle. Wow. You see, try to get a, oh darn, he went behind the bushes. Wanted to get a shot of that ram. I think his name's Timmy. There's two of them. One's Timmy and one's... So, oh, there's a good one right there. Oh my gosh. There you go. I think that's Timmy. Look at the curl on those horns. Anyway, sheep follow leaders. You can lead them anywhere. They're mowing our lawn. We don't need a lawnmower. Cows are better, but hey, sheep are good too. With the little babies. These things are so beautiful. Anyway, there you go. And a lot of the plants they're eating, we can eat too. We're going to do a wild food walk, and I'm apologizing for not getting anything done over the weekend. It was just a very hectic weekend, and it just didn't happen. Blah. 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 There's the other one. Yeah, he's a smaller one. You can see him barely. He'll come out in a minute. Focus on him. Yeah, he's got his head down eating. Oh, well, anyway. Oh, there's a good shot of Timmy. Hi, buddy. Don't get to looking at me like that. And one thing about Barbados sheep, they taste better than beef. You would not know they're not beef. They are awesome. That is a curl and a half. Oh, he's going to scare him. Alright. This is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. If you're listening to this, you are the remnant.